Hi guys, it's Gifted Sandra and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how I make puff puff, popularly known as groundnut or Akara hairstyle in Nigeria, on my very short hair. So guys, let's get started. My hair has been washed. So what I'll do, but in this place it's a little dried. What I'll do, I'll go ahead and spray in water. After spraying the water, I will rub leave-in conditioner. After rubbing leave-in conditioner, I will use my hair growth butter. After doing that, then we'll start the business. So what I'll be needing to make this hair, I will be needing wool as thread and a rat take comb for parting. So guys, please don't mind the whitey stuff on my hair. That is my leave-in conditioner and my butter. Once the hair is dried, it will be off. It will no longer be there. So I'll be starting this puff puff hairstyle, popularly known as Akara or groundnut hairstyle in Nigeria, by parting my hair. Then I will use my wool to thread it over and over again. Sometimes you can just do it 1, 2, 3, 4, then you tie it. But because I'll be carrying it for like a week or 2 weeks, then I will do it so it will be a little more higher. I don't know if you understand. You'll see that maybe at the end of the video, you'll see it. It will be as if I'm threading longi, but it's not longi, it's Akara. So you just go on and on doing it continuously, then that's it. I'm sorry for the late post. It has been 5 months since I did the big shop, since I went blood. And this particular place, my hair was exactly 5 months and some days. So I said, let me see if I can make this puff puff. And thank God I was able to make it. So I said, though the time I posted this, my hair is almost a year since I went blood, sorry. So I went to delete the video, but I thought of uploading it because it's good to know how I started. Because don't forget, I told you we are all on this journey together. From going blood, sorry, and from making puff puff to how we are going to grow the hair. So these are the basic steps we need to grow our hair, because putting it in a protective style like this will help retain moisture and it will be growing fast. It will help us to retain length. If you have watched this video to this extent and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, smash the subscribed button and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to whom you feel needs it. I'm sorry I have not been posting for some time because I was really not doing much, but even though I'm very busy, but I will try and be posting at least once in a while just to keep you guys updated. I will explain it again. You cut your hair, you throw the stitches about how you want it though, because I wanted mine to last longer. Mommy. So that's how. I'm sorry for the distraction. My son came to ask me why I am doing my voice over in his room. So guys, what you do, you part the hair, you cut it, you flip the thread over and over again, and please always tie a knot at the end of the plaiting so that it will not unravel fast. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If so, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for staying with me. See you all in the next video. Bye and stay blessed.